$4.4 billion megabridge connecting US and Canada. Two gargantuan towers stand over the Detroit River, part of a $4.4 billion megaproject that will forever alter the game of traveling between Ontario and Michigan. A decades-long battle to grapple with clogged traffic at crowded international borders connecting Windsor and Detroit, the Gordie Howe International Bridge project is eventually coming together in a huge effort of cooperation between Canada and the United States. The long-awaited alternative crossing for the bridge blockage Ambassador Bridge and the car-congested Detroit-Windsor Tunnel will also occupy a missing link in an international trucking route, directly connecting Highway 401 on the Canadian side and I-75 on the US side. It will also be a record breaker soon to take the name of the extended cable-stayed bridge in North America with an amazing main span of 853 meters. Supporting a 2.5-kilometer-long 6-lane highway bridge needs some quite monolithic supports, which come in the shape of a pair of 140-meter-tall pylons, with U.S. and Canadian workers coordinating to build their respective bridge support towers on opposite sides of the river. Each tower is harshly comparable in height to a 40-story residential building, and if they added up as habitable structures, the tower on the Canadian side would far exceed the Caesars Windsor's Augustus Tower, as that is the city's highest building. It will, however, take the crown of tallest structure. Like the towers before, the road deck is being built by U.S. and Canadian teams working in coordination, with the decking to finally meet in the middle in what will certainly be a celebratory moment for the international project team. But getting to this point was not exactly a simple process, involving decades of resistance, legal battles, and political arguments that continued even after shovels hit the ground 4 years ago. The project's most punitive critic was billionaire Manuel "Matty" Moran, 1927 to 2020, who fought until the very end to halt the project, guarding his own interests as the owner of the Ambassador Bridge, where trucks are currently forced to cross the Detroit River. While the bridge will be of service to both nations, the Government of Canada will foot the whole project costs, with an agreement in place that all tax revenues from tolls claimed at the bridge will be paid to Canada for 50 years after construction is finished, expected for 2024.